The Arawakas follow a long and pure philosophy which teaches them to take care of the planet and live in harmony with nature. An ancient way of life that is finding a new resonance in our modern world. The formal premiere followed in Bogota and was attended by diplomats. The film received an unprecedented reception. The most popular film in Colombia's history. In a country so vast and varied, it was the first time that many had seen the incredible natural beauty of their own homeland. It must not be the last.